Did you know US crypto investors may have lost up to $5 billion? That's right, $5 billion. And it's all thanks to Geoblocked Airdrops. Airdrops are a way for crypto projects to reward users for supporting their platforms. But here's the catch. Many projects now block US users due to regulatory fears. New research shows that between 2020 and 2024, US crypto holders missed out on $1.8 to $2.6 billion in airdrop revenue. And when you look at the bigger picture, including 21 major projects, that number could soar to $5 billion. It's not just about missed opportunities, the US is losing its edge in crypto. Since 2015, the share of active crypto addresses and developers in the Americas has dropped significantly. Regulatory uncertainty is pushing talent and firms offshore. Take Tether, for example. In 2024 it reported a $6.2 billion profit. But, because it's based offshore, the US missed out on $1.6 billion in potential tax revenue. Add it all up, and the US government could be losing between $525 million and $1.38 billion in tax revenue from airdrops and offshore crypto firms. So, what's the solution? Experts say the US needs to nurture this growing industry, not push it away. Otherwise, the losses will only grow. Stay informed, stay ahead, and let's keep crypto innovation alive.